Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix no one can hear you on Android call. Let's get started. Step 1. Take your Android phone and open the Settings app. You can find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. In the Settings menu, locate the search bar at the top and tap on it. Now, type Permission. Step 3. From the search results, select the relevant option, then tap on it again to open the menu. Step 4. Here you will see various options. Scroll through and select the microphone option. Step 5. Now scroll down to find the phone app, tap on it, and make sure to grant the necessary microphone permission. Step 6. Once you've enabled the permission, go back to the home screen. Now, press and hold the power button for a few seconds. Step 7. A menu will appear with different options. Tap on Restart, then confirm by tapping it again. Your phone will restart and your issue should be resolved. That's it. You have successfully fixed the issue where no one could hear you during an Android call. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.